In this video, we're going to be looking at how you divide when the numbers have some negatives in them. Okay, if I wanted to divide 6 by 3, I've got 4 different combinations I have. If the numbers could be positive or negative, they both could be positive, they both could be negative, or you could have one of each in either order. Okay, well 6 divided by 3, that just means 3 times what is 6? Now, of course, the answer here is 2. And hopefully we know that 6 divided by 3 is 2. Well, would I have negative 6 divided by 3? So that means 3 multiplied by what gives me negative 6? Well, hopefully we can remember our rule from last time. When we multiply and divide, negative signs always come in pairs. Well, we're dividing, so this rule applies. Let's see what we've got. We've got a negative here, no negative here, so I've got to have a negative here. Likewise, it also works for multiplying. So I've got, this hasn't got a sign, which means it's a positive sign. My answer is negative, so I must have a negative there. So it's negative 2. Okay, again, I can use my rule. It's a really good rule. If you haven't already written it in your book, please write it in your book. 6 divided by negative 3, well, I've got one negative there. They have to come in pairs, so here's its pair. And then 6 divided by 3 is 2. And then here, I've already got 2 negative signs. I've got one here and one here, so I've already got a pair. I can't have another one because then it wouldn't have a pair. So it's a positive number, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So this rule is so useful, and this rule will always work. Whenever we multiply or divide, negative signs will always come in pairs. So give it a go, try the questions in the drill yourself now, remembering that rule, taking this time now, if you haven't already written that rule down, to write it down before you start the drill.